What's up, guys? And right here I have a 16 horsepower V-twin. See the V-shaped cylinders, Briggs & Stratton. And I want you guys to listen to this thing, okay? This thing, I don't know what it sounds like. It doesn't sound like a mower. Now, I mean that in a really good way. This thing, it idles so smoothly, so buttery, so beautifully. The throttle and choke are a little finicky. They seem to like to be in certain positions. I'm working on fixing this thing up actually right now. That's why I got the shroud off. I'm just gonna go ahead and crank it, and I want you guys to listen to this. It sounds so beautiful and smooth. Like, what is that? That doesn't sound like a mower. It's like so smooth. There's not really any smoke, which is great. I just love that sound. I don't know what it sounds like. Is it like, I don't know if it sounds like, it's not really an idling car. Is it like one of those bigger farm tractors? I don't really know, but it sounds beautiful. Take it for a spin. Guys, let me know what you think of this engine down in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts.